In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your stats on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your account, and after that, basically, first of all, we need to click right here at our chess.com username to go to our chess.com profile page. And then to check our stats, we need to scroll down a bit until at the right sidebar we'll find stats box. In here, if we click right there where it says stats, we'll be taken to the page where we can check our stats for 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, and all time for all the game modes. However, if we would like to check our stats for a specific game mode, let's say I would like to check my stats for rapid game mode. I can just click on it, and that's where we can get more detailed information about my games in that mode. We can check that I got 43 win game and 32 lost game, and a bunch of other different information about my previous games. That's also where we can check each of our games by clicking add review. Let's say I would like to get information about my recent game. In this way, I can check the review, and also I can click on next move or previous move to see how the game was played, and basically that's how we can analyze our own games. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.